Hey everyone, thanks for dropping in to check out this Pikachu video. Today we have obviously a Pikachu printing on an Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro. We're trying this print out at around 300 ms on the speed. It's cruising quite nicely so far. It's quite satisfying to watch. Few tiny little wispy bits of hair down there, but I reckon it'll all be all good in the end. Should only be a couple of little bits on this bottom bit. We've increased the retraction speed to distance, to 1.5 millimeters. Heat's at 210 for Elegoo Yellow PLA.